In this video, I'm going to show you how to hatch in PDF XChange Editor. Now, the first thing I must tell you is that there's actually no native feature inside PDF XChange Editor which allows you to hatch. However, a wonderful person on their forum actually created a JavaScript file which basically allows you to get the hatch feature. So I'm going to show you how to install that and get it right now. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to Google and you want to type in PDF XChange Editor hatch, okay? It's going to take you direct to the forums from PDF Exchange forum, which says hatch pattern tool. And by the way, shout out to this guy who actually created this over here. So Matthew, shout out to you. And then over here, you want to scroll down and it's going to say hatch tool v2.4.zip. You can install that or download that to your computer. It looks just like this. There we go. Nothing big. And then you can actually close this down. Now, whenever you do that, you have to go into your downloads folder on your computer because there's where you'll be able to find it. There we go, it's over here. You want to click on it, you want to right click, and you want to click on extract all. Now when you do that, click on extract, and it's going to actually give you a separate folder here which doesn't have a zipper anymore, and there's going to be 4 things in here. Now to actually install this, we have to go to step 2, and that is the following. You have to go to your computer down here to the search box, and you want to type in %appdata% like this, and then you want to click on this folder that pops up. And from here, it's going to open up the app data folder. Oops, wrong one. There we go, this one. And you want to scroll down inside the app data folder until you find tracker software. Now you want to double click on tracker software and you want to double click on PDF X Editor over here. When you do that, double click on 3.0. And then in here, there should be a JavaScript folder. If there's no JavaScript folder, create a new one. So right click, click on new, and then folder, and type in Java scripts, okay? Just like me over here, make sure to do the exact same thing. When you've done that, double click on that folder, and then you'll have to basically copy these files into this folder. So just open up what we extracted from inside the hatch tool, and then basically just place these inside here, inside JavaScript, and then you can close both down over here. And once you've done that, you have to close down PDF Exchange Editor, and then you have to reopen it again. So here I'm gonna go to my programs, open it up. There we go, open a random document. Okay, so as you can see on the Home tab, we already have a hatch button up here, and we also have a new add-ons tools. So add-on tools here, and in here you can see the hatch button. Now, to actually use this, we now have to have a shape or something you want to hatch. Of course, this is going to work with different things. You can read it on the forum we were on earlier. The guy who actually made it, I think it was Matthew, actually said like how we can use that. There's a demonstration on there. You can, of course, go through that in case you're interested. But here, the easiest way to do it, I'm just going to create a rectangle over here like this. There we go. And then as you can see, the hatch tool becomes available up here and in the add-on tools as well. I'm going to click on it and it's going to pop up the hatch annotations. And here you can basically just go ahead and set the hatch parameters. I'm just going to leave it as this, the first one. You can set the rotation. I'm just going to do like 20 here, and then the scale as well, which I'm going to do 22. And then you have the island detection. You can of course select whichever one you want. You have the origin offset, stuff like that. You can play around with this, and then you can also select the hatch color here like that. As you can see, pretty convenient. I'm going to do red right now, and then here you can just click on OK whenever you're of course ready with these settings. And as you can see, we've basically got a hatch tool inside a PDF Exchange Editor. Pretty cool. So that's it. Again, shout out to Matthew, the guy who actually posted this and created this in the forum. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.